My name is Mark Verklee, and I am the owner of Vapo Cheese together with my sister. Vapo Cheese is a cheese processing company that exports to over 23 countries around the world. We have been working with Wiebe for over 20 years. The first project was our Line 11 in 2000, a Slicer 902, as we were previously only used to other slicers. We have close contact with Wiebe because Wiebe is also a family company. So we have the same DNA and the same values, which we appreciate very much. And also the contact with the Wiebe family is good. Currently, we have 4 Wiebe lines, 2 old lines and 2 new lines. We were the first to have a complete Wiebe line, including the packaging machine. I am Hugo Van Put, Technical Operations Manager. I'm responsible for engineering and part of the operations, especially multi-year plans and line improvement. Vapo chooses Wiebe as a partner to have high-quality technology, but it is also to be #1 in the cheese world for us, and is able to deliver complete lines so we can develop and improve them.